Volkswagen presented the ID electric sedan Aero, which should become the flagship of the ID line. So far, the new product debuted as a concept. The serial version will appear in 2023, and it will become Volkswagen's global offering on the market. The main task of the concept is to show what a medium-sized battery sedan will look like. This is where Volkswagen positions the ID Aero as a representative of the premium segment, currently mainly due to its spectacular appearance. The coefficient of air resistance of the novelty is 0.23, which is close to record values. This was achieved both due to the overall streamlined silhouette and thanks to small details. For example, the 22-inch wheels received an aerodynamic turbine design, and the decision was made to abandon the door handles altogether. They were replaced by narrow sensor strips. At a length of almost 16 feet, the electric car received a 77 kilowatt battery, which, together with aerodynamics, provides a range of up to 385 miles on the WLTP cycle. Sales of the sedan will start in China, then an option will appear for Europe, and later for North America.